Have you ever held a crystal in your hand and felt a strange energy? It's almost as if the crystal is speaking to you, sharing its ancient wisdom. Crystals are like little treasures from the earth, each with its own special vibe. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, each one unique and beautiful. Some sparkle like stars, others have calming colors, but they all have one thing in common. They can help us feel calmer and more connected to ourselves. Their energy can be both soothing and invigorating. Crystal meditation is like making friends with these sparkly stones. It's a practice that allows us to tap into their energy and harness it for our well-being. It's a way to use their energy to feel peaceful and happy. By meditating with crystals, we can enhance our mindfulness and deepen our sense of tranquility. Just like we meditate to clear our minds, we can use crystals to help us focus and feel good. They act as a bridge between our inner selves and the natural world. This guide will teach you everything about crystal meditation, from picking the right crystal to creating a peaceful space for your practice. You'll learn how to cleanse and charge your crystals and how to set your intentions. Ready to unlock the magic within? Let's start our crystal journey and discover the wonders these natural gems have to offer. Crystals aren't just pretty. People have used them for ages. Ancient Egyptians thought crystals had special powers and used them like good luck charms. They even buried crystals with mummies to help them on their journey to the afterlife. In China, healers used crystals to balance the body's energy points, just like we try to eat healthy foods to feel good. Imagine crystals like little helpers, giving us a boost of positive energy when we need it most. Today, lots of people use crystals for meditation and feeling more balanced. It's like carrying a little piece of nature's peace with you wherever you go. Walking into a crystal shop can be exciting. The atmosphere is often filled with a sense of wonder and discovery. So many colors and shapes, it's like a rainbow exploded. Each crystal has its own unique energy and beauty. But don't worry, choosing the right crystal for meditation is easier than it looks. It's all about finding what resonates with you personally. Clear quartz is a great starter crystal. It's like a blank canvas that can amplify any intention you have. Its versatility makes it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. Want more peace? Clear quartz can help. It can enhance your meditation practice and bring clarity to your thoughts. Feeling stressed? Amethyst, with its lovely purple color, is known for calmness and helping us connect with our inner selves. It's like a soothing balm for the soul. Rose quartz is all about love and kindness. It helps us open our hearts and feel compassion for ourselves and others. It's perfect for fostering emotional healing and self-love. The best way to choose? Close your eyes, hold a crystal in your hand, and see how it makes you feel. Trust your instincts and let your intuition guide you. Your intuition will guide you to the perfect crystal friend. Remember, the right crystal will feel like a natural extension of yourself. Imagine meditating in a messy room. It wouldn't feel very relaxing, right? The clutter around you can be distracting and make it hard to focus. Creating a calm space for your crystal meditation is like setting the stage for a magical experience. It's about crafting an environment that invites peace and tranquility. Find a quiet corner in your home where you won't be disturbed. This could be a small nook or any place that feels secluded and serene. It could be your bedroom, a comfy spot in the living room, or even a blanket fort. The key is to choose a place where you feel comfortable and safe. Dim the lights or light some candles. The soft glow of candlelight can be incredibly soothing and help you relax. Soft lighting helps create a peaceful atmosphere. It sets the mood and makes the space feel more inviting. You can even add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser for an extra touch of relaxation. The calming scent of lavender can enhance your meditation experience. Now, arrange your crystals around you. Place them in a way that feels right to you, creating a circle or pattern that resonates with your energy. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just let your intuition guide you. Trust your instincts and arrange the crystals in a way that feels harmonious. Once you're settled in your cozy space, you're ready to begin your crystal meditation journey. Take a deep breath, relax, and let the peaceful energy of the crystals guide you.